So my car stopped working when I was driving, and I'm feeling very sad. I'm feeling like crying. So looks like I need an alternator. So I've called the towing company. The towing company is coming in another 2 hours, so I have to be sitting and my car doors are not working. I have to just get out, and thank God one window was opened. So we'll just wait for the towing truck, and now I need to make sure that the kids reach home so that I can go to the mechanic shop, the Bigo Tires, and they'll help me over there, and let's see how it goes, and I'll give a full coverage over there, and I think we'll take an Uber and go now. And we are all ready to go, but the window is open, so the towing truck will take my van, and we'll go from there. So the kiddos got dropped. I found a person to drop them, so he dropped, and kids are safe at home. And this was the day I was feeling very bad, but now at least the kiddos are out, and I think I'll be going with the towing company. I have a room to sit over there with the towing company, so all is good. I'll just make a video in the Bigo Tires and get my car fixed, and we'll get back home. And this was the start of my day. So not a pleasant one, but not a bad one too. All is good. So this is the towing car which has come. So now I can sit on this and just go with this person, and it is like this. They'll just tow my van, and it's west side towing. And now we'll go to the mechanic shop and get my car fixed. So here the person is taking my car, and here he's backing up. He's taking my van. He's taking everything now. He'll just tow my vehicle. Here is Nick. So all this goes with one towing. So here's Nick, who is helping me take my car to the Biggo Tires. He's a very good person. He helped me, and now he's working on it to take us to the Biggo Tires and get it repaired. And he said it was fully dead. Could you explain?
Your battery was fully dead, which means your alternator wasn't charging it, and we couldn't put in a gear, so I had to release your gear lock, and now we're about to go to Biggo Tires.
Yeah. So this was it. So I'll be sitting with him and going to the Biggo Tires. So here I'm sitting on a towing truck today. This is my first experience today. And here's Mr. Nick who will drive the towing truck. I think I need to wear my seat belt, right?
Yeah, for safety.
So here we are sitting. He's driving, Nick is driving. And here we go. Reach Biggo Tires now.
Yep.
And we have room for another 2-3 people, but I didn't know this, so anybody who wanted to know that whether the kids can sit, I think I send the kids home, but I wish if I had the kids with me right now, but it's okay, they are safe over there. And I don't know how much time I'll take in Biggo Tires. So let's go to Biggo Tires. It's too high,
Yeah.
the towing truck, no, it's too high. They have such big mirrors over here. Just see the truck. I'm only worried about my van. The roads are all empty. I reach the Biggo Tires. I do all my van needs over here, whether be it oil change or any servicing, I do it over here.
Bring that around back. We have an area where we want to drop it so we can bring it straight in.
Okay.
Okay, Nick, thank you so much for helping me out.
Of course.
Thank you. So now they are removing it. They are pulling the van down. Such a hard job. So tiring. Such a cool vehicle, motorcycle. My son would have really liked this. So this is Biggo Tires in Parker. So I come over here for all my van services. So I'm still in Biggo Tires and I'm just sitting and waiting. It's been almost 2 hours. But it takes time, so once I'll be called and I'll just pay and my van will be all ready to start. So it is all done and it was such a hectic morning, like overwhelming morning, and I got it fixed and here it is all okay. And so here I see how much I drove and how much it is, and it's so good now. I can see before it was not awning and all. So now it says enter code. So Honda people, once you get service done or oil change done, you need to enter the code, and the code for this is, so I have to enter the code, and the code is, it's a 5-digit number which I should just enter. Starts. this time 2:24, but the time is not 2:24, so I need to set up the time also. I just need to hold. And now say what's the time. 2 is okay, but the minutes are, it's like 3 o'clock or something, so let me check. 51. So they just changed the alternator, which costed like $381, and the labor service was $125, no, $237. So altogether I had to pay $745. Too expensive to own a car. Cutting some fruits for nice yummy dinner. All kinds of fruits, banana. Here is the fruit bowl. We have lots of fruits. So I reached home, I took a shower, and I just had some fruits now, and feeling so tired and hectic, and it was a very busy morning, and it became of like evening I came home. So it was an expensive day and a busy day and a hectic day, and I was really lost. So, but all is good. Everything got repaired, and I'm ready to drive my van again. It costed me a lot. So this was my day today. Hope you all liked it, and if you have liked anything and if you have any comments, please comment and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Love you all.